Feeling a bit bored with your current Chrome theme and thinking of switching it up? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to uninstall any third-party theme from your Chrome browser on your PC. So, let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your PC. Then locate and click on the three-dot icon found at the top right corner of the screen. Next up, select Settings from the menu that pops up. After that, navigate to Appearance from the menu on the left-hand side. Now, Reset to Default button right next to the Theme section. Click on it and voila! Your themes will revert back to the default classic theme. This means your theme has been successfully uninstalled. Simple, isn't it? That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to uninstall any third-party theme from your Chrome browser on your computer. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.